The purpose of this demonstration is to showcase the IAF CertSearch Analytic features that will be available to certification bodies. Certification bodies will be able to access real-time and historical analytics for the following categories: certified entities, certifications, certified sites, locations, users, and page views. These categories can be analysed in two ways. Firstly, your analytics, which is analytics specific to your certification body. And secondly, global analytics, anonymised, aggregated analytics for all standards and countries. Note, certification bodies can't access analytics on another certification body. The following charts will be available to certification bodies: growth rate, historical trends, analytics by standards, market share analysis, analytics by locations, and gains and losses. If you select a different category, for example, certified entities, certifications, or certified sites, the same charts will be available. However, they will display analytics specific to the selected category. Filters. There is functionality to refine the analytics by filtering. Once filters are applied, all charts will change based on the filter or filters selected. There is the ability to refine the analytics to a specific period, standard, location, which includes region, country, and state, sector filters, and accreditation body filters if your certification body has multiple accreditations. For example, certification bodies will be able to change the date range as required. Options include daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly ranges. For this example, when viewing certification information under your analytics, the growth rate will show you the movement of certifications month on month as a percentage. Historical trends will show you the actual number of certifications month on month. Certifications by standard will show you the number of certifications across individual standard. Certifications by location will show you the certifications by country or any other location filter selected. Gains and losses will show you the breakdown of the overall movement, the gains of certifications and the losses of certifications. Benchmarks. There is functionality to layering benchmarks so you can compare your analytics to available benchmarks. Benchmarks include standard, sector, location, which includes global, region, country, and state. And also there are accreditation body benchmarks for your accreditations only. The available benchmarks are limited to the accredited standards and schemes included in the database for your certification body. By way of example, we will select a regional benchmark and select Asia. Now you can compare each chart of your analytics to the Asia benchmark. Growth rate chart will compare your growth rate compared to the overall Asia growth rate. Historical data will compare your actual number of certifications month on month versus the Asia benchmark. Certifications by standard will compare the number of certification across each individual standard for your certification body. Compare the Asia benchmark. Sector, you can compare your certifications by sector compared to the Asia benchmark for each sector. Certifications by location will show you the certifications by country or any other location filter selected compared to the Asia benchmarks. Under gains and losses, you can compare the gains and losses for your certification body versus the industry benchmarks. You can also use the benchmarks to add in and compare multiple data sets from either your analytics and the available benchmarks at the same time. Global analytics. Global analytics enables you to view anonymized analytics for all standards and schemes. Filtering and benchmarks are also available within Global Analytics. You can filter by period, standard, sector, or location, which includes global, region, country, and state, and also include all available benchmarks. It can be really useful when assessing standards your certification body is seeking to gain accreditation for and offer certification to, so you can understand the demand of those standards in other countries or regions. There are 3 other sections: locations, users, and page views. Locations show more detailed analytics for all locations in map and table format, which can be refined. Users. This shows anonymized analytics on users who are using the database that relate to your certification body. Users are verifiers who have created an account in IAF CertSearch. Page views. This shows anonymized analytics on visitors who are using the database that relate to your certification body. This includes users, but also public users who don't have an account. Multinational certification bodies. Multinational certification bodies have all the same functionality as an individual certification body. However, given they have multiple subsidiaries within their group, they can view their analytics from a group perspective or drill down to an individual subsidiary. The analytics can be displayed by standard, sector, location, and accreditation. Location can be broken down to global, regional, country, and state. The analytics can be displayed for the group or individual subsidiary level. When accessing benchmarks, in addition to the available benchmarks for all CVs, standards, sector, region, country, and accreditation, multinational certification bodies can also benchmark one subsidiary within their group to another, or one subsidiary against any of the available benchmarks. All certification bodies have access to global analytics, and there is no difference for multinational certification bodies. For the subsidiaries of multinationals, they can log into their individual account and see the same analytics as a certification body. However, the breadth of benchmarking and global analytics is set by the overall group for each subsidiary. The head office can choose what benchmarks the subsidiary can access, and their analytics is limited to that subsidiary.